Hello students, in this question we have a null hypothesis that we need to formulate a null hypothesis. The null hypothesis would be that there is no difference in the resting heart rates of firstborn and secondborn twins. The alternative hypothesis would be that the firstborn twin has a higher resting heart rate than the second-born child. So here first we need to identify the variables in our study. So here the independent variable is independent variable and dependent variable and also the H0 and alternate hypothesis.